In this video, I'll show you how you can use picture-in-picture on your YouTube TV. Now keep in mind this only works for your phones, as right now it doesn't work from the PC or your smart TVs. But what you can do is if you have the Android or if you have an Apple device, for Android you just want to launch the app, select a channel and start playing a video, and from in there you can press the home button or swipe up to minimize the YouTube TV app, and then it will become like small. And then you can browse other, and then what you can do is you can drag the PiP window around the screen and resize it. After that, if you want, you can close it by swiping it off the screen. Now on Apple devices, what you can do is you can do the same, but instead of going this, you're gonna swipe home or press the home button if you have an old iPhone, and then you just want to minimize it, and then it will become a small picture-in-picture window that you can move around the screen. Now you can also resize it if you want by putting two fingers, or you can drag in any of the corners, and then you can close it by pulling it away or pressing X. Now I really hope this small video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.